Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Kenmore brand washing machine and it's giving you an F29 error and you're wondering what this is and what you can do to get rid of it. So what's going on here with this, if you're getting this error, is that the door is trying to unlock and it's unable to unlock. The first thing you're going to need to do to deal with this is to get your washing machine unlocked. So to do that, the first thing you need to do is you got to unplug it. And then once you unplug it, depending on the model, there is down at the bottom you can access, there's a control panel, an access panel, where you can manually unlock the door. And then once you manually unlock the door, then you need to try to figure out what's going on. And what's probably going on is that there's something physically preventing this from unlocking properly. So maybe there's some gunk or some lint or something like that, or a piece of clothing that got pinched in the door locking mechanism that is preventing it from mechanically operating properly. So you want to clear all that stuff out. Make sure there's even like too much grease or something like that up in there. Make sure everything is moving freely. You should be able to get rid of the error. If it's not that, the next thing you can try to do is just unscrew the lock mechanism, get in behind it, and make sure all the wiring is connected, nothing's damaged or frayed or corroded or anything like that. And then potentially replace the locking mechanism if necessary. But anyways, hope this video helped you figure out what's going on. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.